In this video, I'll show you how to buy crypto on PancakeSwap. First, open your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask, Trust Wallet, or Binance Web3 wallet. Make sure your wallet is connected to the correct network. PancakeSwap is commonly used on BNB Smart Chain, so you may need BNB in your wallet to pay network fees. Next, open the official PancakeSwap website in your browser or through your wallet's built-in browser. Be careful with fake websites, sponsored ads, and random links from social media. Always double-check the website before connecting your wallet. Once PancakeSwap opens, click Connect Wallet and choose the wallet you are using. Your wallet will show a connection request. Review the site name carefully, then approve the connection. Now go to the swap section. In the first token box, choose the crypto you want to spend, such as BNB, USDT, USDC, or another token already in your wallet. In the second token box, choose the crypto you want to buy. You can search by token name, but for better safety, especially with new or lesser-known tokens, use the official token contract address from the project's trusted website or verified community page. After selecting both tokens, enter the amount you want to swap. PancakeSwap will show the estimated amount you will receive. Before continuing, review the price impact, slippage tolerance, minimum received, and network fee. If the token requires approval first, click Approve and confirm it in your wallet. After approval is complete, click Swap. Your wallet will open again and ask you to confirm the transaction. After confirming, wait for the blockchain to process the swap. Once it is complete, the crypto you bought should appear in your wallet. If it does not show automatically, add the token manually using the contract address. Always remember that crypto trading involves risk, and blockchain transactions usually cannot be reversed. Only trade amounts you are comfortable risking, and never share your seed phrase with anyone. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.